Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate investment strategies with Wealthsimple, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Wealthsimple website. Create an account if you don't have one already. Log in to your Wealthsimple account. Once logged in, navigate to the Invest section. Choose the Automate feature from the options available. Begin by selecting your investment goals. Consider factors such as risk tolerance and time horizon. Enter your financial goals and preferences in the prompted fields. Review the suggested investment strategies based on your inputs. Customize your portfolio if desired by selecting specific assets. Once you're satisfied with your selection, confirm your choices. Set up automatic contributions based on your preferences. Decide how often you want to contribute, whether weekly, monthly, or quarterly. Make sure to link your bank account for easy transfers. Review the settings and ensure everything is correct. Finally, activate the automation feature. Monitor your investments periodically to track performance. Adjust your strategy as needed based on changing financial goals. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with automated investing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.